What's up everybody? My name is Danny and this is SpendLessStore.com's YouTube channel, Spend Less Tools. In today's video we are going to go over the Dewalt XR 20 volt hammer drill. Model number on this is DCD996 and it is the 3-speed. I know a lot of people when they have one of these and looking for another one are always asking, hey, do you have that 3-speed hammer drill? This is it. This particular one that we're using and going over this video today is actually pretty used but still works perfect. As you see a lot with these things, they are super heavy duty hammer drills. These guys usually obviously drilling holes and running screws, but usually probably drilling holes. They do have the hammer function for concrete as well. It actually has light settings down on the bottom. It has a 3-speed, so you can go, there's 3, there's 1, there's 2, and there's 3. And then it has drill driver mode, hammer mode, and then it has torque settings as well. Comes with a handle that you can flip-flop sides on, just like every other drill. Has a forward and a backward, and again, light settings, belt clip, and it's brushless and XR. So that being said, I'm going to go ahead and drop a bit in it, and we're going to drill some holes, just to kind of give you a quick demo of it. Ratchet that down. All right, we got our bit in. We're in 3, so we're going to start in just a driver mode, so you're not going to hear any hammering. And we're going to go ahead now and put it in a hammer mode, and you'll hear it hammering. I absolutely love this drill, guys. It works really well. We're going to go ahead and put it back into regular mode, not hammering anymore. And that's that, guys. So let's now run the screw, because why not? What is this? Phillips. Alright. Ratchet the bit down. We already got our holes pre-drilled. Alright, guys. Forward. There we go, guys. Dewalt XR 3-speed hammer drill. If anybody has any comments, questions, ideas for future videos, please let us know in the comments below. If you have not subscribed already, please do so. We are going to give away this entire 20 volt drill kit right here to a subscriber at the end of March, so we're really looking forward to that, hoping to get as many people entered and win that as possible. So if you haven't hit the subscribe button, please do that, hit the likes, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Take care.